Similar to the Eastern European countries that were members of the Warsaw Pact, Romania inherited a considerable Soviet-era weapons. The Romanian army operates a fleet of 70 B33 Zimbru, a license-built BTR-80 with a number of modifications. It is also known as TAB Zimbru, produced to replace the previous TAB-77. Based on the B33 Zimbru, Romania has developed a more advanced version, the Zimbru 2000, considered one of the most powerful ammo vehicles launched in the early 2000s. However, this vehicle was not mass-produced because the upgrade cost was too high. Basically, the B33 Zimbru is similar to the BTR-80 armor personnel carrier with a number of upgrades, including a 268 horsepower model 1240 V8 DTS engine, slightly more powerful than the original, the R1231B radio set, and 500 additional rounds 7.62mm. On-welded steel armor hull provides on-rail protection against 7.62mm rounds and artillery shell splinters. Front arc withstands hit from 12.7mm rounds. This APC is fitted with NBC protection and automatic fire suppression systems. The one-person manually operated turret is mounted on the roof to the rear of the commander and driver and is armed with a 14.5mm PKVT machine gun with a 7.62mm PKT machine gun mounted quasar. Mounted quasar above the two machine guns is an infrared searchlight, and mounted on the turret rear is a bank of 6 electrically operated 81mm smoke relay launchers that fire over the frontal arc. The crew of 2 and can carry 8 fully equipped infantrymen. Troops enter and leave vehicle through side doors or roof hatches. A number of firing ports are provided for the troops. The engine compartment is at the rear of the hull with the air inlet and outlet louvers in the roof and the exhaust outlets mounted on either side. B33 Zimbru can reach a maximum road speed of 85 km per hour, range of 700 km. The vehicle is fully amphibious with a minimum of preparation, which propel in the water by a single water jet mounted at the rear of the hull. It can swim at a speed of 9 km per hour. Standard equipment on the B33 includes power steering on the front four wheels, with all tires being fitted with a center tire pressure regulation system. The B33 Zimbru can be airlifted by the AN-22, ER-76 or C-130 Hercules transport aircraft.